Okay, this is the new episode of Skinwalker on the History Channel. It's on tonight. This is Tuesday. It's 7:30, whatever time. Here's where we were. We came down this road right here. We turned this corner, and I have a picture. If you go back in my video, you'll see this house, all dilapidated, and you'll see that house. And as I came around here, we passed the front gate, which is right in there. It used to be back here, but they brought it up right here. There was solar panels, it was chain linked all the way down. You can see the chain link. We came down here, I couldn't turn around. I said, well, let's face out this way so we can at least scoot if they come after us. Nowhere to turn around. So we came down this road, right back here, and right here, we came in here and we turned around, and as soon as we got to this point right here on this lot, there was a mound of dirt right there. And as we came around, I put in the four-wheel low, four-wheel high, one of them. There was a truck blocking our exit right there. It was an old hick. And he was so surprised to see a trailer back there. All he said, I'll move my truck, I'll move my truck. So we came around here and got back on the road. Came around here. Remember the story of me saying a truck came out? Well, I came here and I was slowing down. And right here is where I stopped the truck and got out. And I was taking that picture that you see on the Skinwalker tape. I was right there. As soon as I got out and stopped, this gate here opened up and the truck came out, pulled out, stopped right there. A guy got out of his truck. I was here. My trailer was right on the road right here. I filmed him looking at me. I got a bad feeling, jumped back in the truck, and we came around this corner. Remember, 1,000 feet around a corner. And right here, you can see the exit, right? If you look right here behind this green clump, and you see right here, this is the river coming down, makes the bend, goes around. Right here is where we parked, right there. And the noises, the first big noise came over here, sounded like a grunt. I mean, a deep bellowing grunt. I said it was blood curdling. That came over this side. Then we started to hear that squeaky noise, whatever screaming lady people call it. It started over here, right? It was still daytime, kind of twilight when it all started. We're parked here. This is all swamp, kind of the river runs through. You saw it, it's on the tape. It started way back here, kind of freaked us out. Then it moved here, kind of freaked us out. This is over the course of about an hour and a half. And then all of a sudden, when you saw the tape of me saying, shh, 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 oh, expletive, we were right here. And whatever it was right there. Now the river's coming down like this, right? So the river bent. You got pictures of that. That's where that barbed wire was right there. I have pictures of it. We were right there because that was a kind of a, well, you saw it. There's brush and trees around us. There's a little kind of a U out where you can pull out. And that thing screamed, and it was right there below us, about 10 feet in the creek bed. That's when we freaked out. Wow. And we were looking directly here because, we're parked parallel with the street right in there. So my back window kind of got this area, and our side windows got this area, and the other side got the creek. So we were looking right at it. Wow. And here, oh, look at here, baby. Look at right here. Now this, right over here, remember, this is the patch of the green alfalfa or whatever they were growing for the cattle right here. And you saw that thing wishing water around. It was right here. Right here. And here's the ranch that I pointed to. Right? Let's see. It would be right back here. Right back here would be that other ranch. And here's that other ranch up here. Or over here that we pointed to. They had some lights on. I said, well, that's the next door neighbors. This is it, baby. Proof positive. We were right there. Cal Root Peg and wife, known as the Lost RVers. What a story. See ya.